Hey guys, what is up? Matt here with Matt Fishing, back with another video. Today I'm back at the pond, and like I said before, I know there's tons of bluegill in here, so I wanted to go on a bluegill mission and see if we can catch any quality fish. Now the last time I was here, there was bass and bluegill spawning. I still do see some bluegill spawning as well on beds, which I guess I will show you guys right now as I'm talking. Tons of bluegills on bed. It looks really awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the little grub that I got from Temu that cost like 87 cents for like a pack of 30. I put some bait fuel inside of there earlier today and let it soak in there. And we're gonna see if we can catch some of these bedding bluegill and maybe some of the post spawners too. I'm gonna fish out in front of the beds a little ways. I'll fish some of the beds and just see if we can get any really nice bluegill. So stay tuned guys, and let's go on a bluegill mission today. All right guys, we're gonna try out the little mealworm on a little ultralight reel. Again, this pond has had bluegill bedding and bluegills just everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and try out the little mealworm and see if these bluegills can be tricked by artificial bait from Temu. Fish on. Let's go. First fish of the day on the little artificial mealworm by Temu. Perfect, right in the corner of the mouth. There we go. Beautiful little gill. First one of the trip right there on a little artificial grub right there, little mealworm. There we go. Fish number two. Fish number two right there. Nice little gill. Not huge by any means. You know, kind of mid-size, hand size. Again, I think these were like 80 cents for like a 50 pack. Still on my first one. There we go. Another nice gill right there. Beautiful fish. There we go. Beautiful gill right there. Loving the blue, the orange. Pretty fish. All right, move down a little bit. Caught like 3 or 4 off that little spot. There's one. As soon as it hit the water. Look at that fish. Gorgeous little gill right there. Again, just on that little artificial mealworm, which is pretty awesome that they're eating it like this, because if you're usually using a real live mealworm in, they're lasting about 1 fish or so. So there's another gorgeous fish right there. There we go, baby. Jumbo right there. Big guy. Look at this one, guys. Getting the light here. There we go. Look at the colors on him. Gorgeous, dark. That might be a big male or big female. It's hard to tell, but that's a nice gill right there. Beautiful fish. All right guys, still on the same grub, very same one. Making my way down. I'm just gonna keep walking up and down the bank, see if we can find some nice quality. Caught one really nice one back there. There we go. Man, pretty fish, huh? They got great coloring to them. They look really healthy in this pond too. Very healthy fish in this pond. I'm gonna try over here in the shady spot, guys, see if any decent sized gills are hanging out. First cast, no lie, I had a bite. There's one. Giant. That's another little one from this spot. We're gonna go ahead and scoot. scoop positions, try another area. A lot of little guys in this spot, so I'm gonna look for some quality gills. Catching a bunch this size from this spot, but still nice and healthy. They look really good. Keep on moving down. Looking for some bigs. Bunch of beds in this spot, guys. Right in this spot are all beds. I don't know if you guys can see it very good. There's fish. There's a nice one right there, pretty fish. They are loving that little mealworm right there, guys. As soon as it hit the water. I think that's a pumpkin seed right there. That's a gorgeous fish. Nice to catch him, beautiful. There we go. I think these are pumpkin seeds. Leave a comment down below if that's what they are, but that's a nice one. I mean, he's got you can actually lip this guy. Big, beautiful colors to him. Love the blue to these guys and the gold. Just looks awesome, but that's a nice gill right there. Look at that. All these fish guys are coming off this little mealworm from Temu, guys. It was like 87 cents for a pack of like 50 or something like that. And I'm still on the first one, guys. Oh yeah. Look how he's eating the grub right there. Look at the size of that guy. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful right there. That's a jumbo. That's a big, big fish right there for a gill, man. Goes, guys, another beautiful fish. You know what I've noticed is all these fish are extremely healthy. I mean, really, really healthy bluegill. So that's awesome to see right there. Fish already, man. Crazy. Oh yeah, look at the belly on that, guys. That's a spawning bluegill if I've ever seen one. What's crazy too is I can't see any kind of beds over here or anything. It's too muddy, and a lot of times I'm fishing out past the beds too, and there's just gills everywhere. So that's a beautiful fish right there. Let's get her back in the water. Bam, baby. There's another nice one right there. Beautiful fish. There we go. How he's eating the grub. There we go. Big boy right there. Big fat boy. I mean, these are just some really nice gills, guys. I was catching a bunch of small ones before, and now we're starting to catch some really nice ones, man. Hey, a little crappie. It's funny to catch one of them. A little tiny crappie. Really cool though. Look at this little guy. Little tiny, like I think these are black crappie. Little tiny guy. There we go. There's another one, guys. My day's about winding down. I just wanted to see how many gills we could catch today and see if we could get any really nice big ones. And we definitely caught quite a few good hand-sized gills, which has been really fun. The bugs out here are really bad too. There's another one to add to the day right there. Nice gill.